So welcome back guys. My name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at how we can transfer WhatsApp messages from an old phone to a new device. Now I understand that this is very significant and very important for WhatsApp users. You may be wanting to migrate to a new phone and you may be wanting to transfer all your WhatsApp messages. And I understand the reasons behind it. Let's today look at the exact steps that should allow you to do it. Now here in front of you is my setup. I have an old phone and I have a new phone. I want to transfer WhatsApp messages from this phone onto my new device and also include the media and other files when I do this. So let's today look at how this is done. Firstly, let's understand that when I say WhatsApp, I mean WhatsApp bearing my certain number. So my WhatsApp bearing this number 80968 has many messages and many media files and groups and this and that which I want to back it up to the new phone. So how do I go about doing that? I click on the three little vertical icons. I click on settings. I head towards chat and here if you see there's an option called as chat backup. Now please do understand that this is a very important thing. Here if you see I have linked my Google account onto my drive. Basically what happens is when you use WhatsApp and you haven't done this chat backup, this Google account won't be linked. You need to add an account so that a certain Google account is linked to your drive. Once that's linked to your drive, then you can set up backup statistics. This is something that I encourage my users or subscribers to do because sometimes your device may crash and this and that. Always there will be a backup available in the drive which you can later use for restoring WhatsApp. But as of now, you see the time is 16:04. The last backup has happened at 17:44. So in the 15 minutes, say if I have received certain messages, I want to take an instant backup so that my backup is right for this moment. And that is what I'm going to use on my other phone as well. So that backup would get stored on the drive. And since this phone and this phone shared my common Google Drive, I can restore my WhatsApp on a new device from the Google Drive. So let's click on backup, and before we do that, please do note that this may be turned off for you, include videos. So please turn this on in case you want to have a media file backup as well. So go ahead and tap on backup and now wait for some time, wait for the whole backup thing to take place. So this may take some time, don't worry, let this happen thoroughly. You can see it's in the process of taking a drive backup. Well, my backup has finished, it's completed. You can see that my latest backup is of 1806, that's 6 p.m. and that's the exact time right now. So this is the backup of the instant moment. I'm gonna use this backup has happened on my drive and has got stored to my Google account. So now as far as this device is concerned, the work is over. At this point of time, you may want to take the SIM out from this device and put it onto the new device. But if you want to hold the SIM onto this device, that's also fine. You would be needing that because you would be getting a registration code on that SIM. And that registration code you need to enter when you install WhatsApp on any new device. So let's anyways go ahead. I'm headed to the Play Store. I have searched for WhatsApp. I'm going ahead and installing this. So let this happen. So WhatsApp has finished installing. Let's go ahead and tap on open. So let's go to the normal steps of installing WhatsApp. So I click on agree and continue. So it's very important that I put in the same number, the number for which I took backup. So if you see here my number was 80968. So this is the same number and this is the number for which I am doing this. I click on next. Please note that the SIM is still in this device. So I will be getting a message in this device. So let me do one thing. Let me click on OK and let me wait for the 6-digit code to arrive on this phone. So I will click on my messages and I will see if I get the message. So I'm yet to get the message. I will try the option of call me. Let me see how it works. So there you go, I'm getting something. WhatsApp registration code was requested. So
code is 738325. Your verification code is 738325.
So that's okay. Now the whole thing that we did for taking the drive backup and everything, so it's telling me to give permission, and that's very important because if you don't, then it's not going to take the backup from the drive which we were doing so far. So I click on continue and I allow it to access my contacts, every other thing. So it's looking for backup. In the meantime, you will see that here it shows a message that this phone is no longer registered because we have now used this number for my WhatsApp on this device, which means I can't use my same number on both the devices anymore. Well, it says that it's found a backup just 5 minutes back. So let me click restore, and now you will see that the process of restoring message is on, and the whole 2.6 GB comprising of all the messages, all the media files, everything has been found and it's getting restored for my Google account. And that's why it's so important that you set the backup Google account link to your drive, because when you do that, anytime when you use WhatsApp on a new device, you will be able to back up messages and get all of those precious things back onto your new device. So it's almost getting done. So here you can see now it's restoring messages. It's gonna take some time because it's almost 3 GB, so it's gonna take some time, so hold on. So there you can see 82,140 messages have been restored. Now it says that your media will restore in the background, which means that we included videos and that's also gonna get restored. I click on next and I put in my name and I click on next. So it's initializing. So you can see it's all come, and the media thing is paused as of now because the battery is low. So I just put in the charger here and you can see that it's preparing for the media restoration as well. So it's prepared this and now it's restoring the whole of it. So just a small doubt people had that whether video files come in. So everything, all media files come through. Some people in my earlier videos had commented whether the groups get maintained. Yes, even they are maintained, even with the admin privilege and everything. So all of that you get when you follow the exact same steps. But one thing which I again keep repeating is head towards your settings, go to chats, click on chat backup and ensure that you have a linked Google account and set up a backup frequency. This is very important. You will thank me later on, because anytime something happens, you always know that there is a backup waiting in the drive which you can use for restoration. So I hope today's tutorial was helpful. If it was, please do consider subscribing to our channel, click on the bell icon for notifications, and please do share this with all your friends and family. It's a very important thing, knowing how to transfer WhatsApp messages from your old phone to new phone. I know how important this is. So please support us by sharing this with your friends. Thank you so much.